afford to be distracted again. I must trust that Luffy will triumph. He will defeat Kaido. He will succeed, and so will I!
That's the spirit! Save the land of water!